Today we're going to take a quick look at how Digital Takeoff can help speed up your estimating process. So here we see all the symbols that AutoCount has gone out and found. We can select all. We see there are 23 in the selection, and we'll just scroll through to make sure these are in fact the symbols we want to apply to our takeoff. Save and close, and all the boxes are drawn around each fixture, and our count of 23 is taken back to our takeoff. So now we have 23 of these 2x2 troffer assemblies or lay-in fixture assemblies in our takeoff. Now I'll show you how our linear takeoff tool can really speed up wire, conduit, and cable tray runs. In this example, I'm going to use a 3/4 EMT with strap and 5 number 12s. I'm going to select linear, and I'll give it an annotation color of blue. Our scale has already been set, so I'm not going to do that. Our scale is already set, and I'm just going to quickly show you how easily you can take off conduit runs now. So here I've taken off 3 quick conduit runs. We see the quantity totaling up over here in the corner. This is flowing back to our takeoff. And finally, I just want to show you how you can manually count or add symbols to a drawing. So I'm just going to select this check mark. It could be any of the other symbols, but for this demonstration I'm going to use this check mark. I'll save it, and now I can come back in those same light fixtures that I used AutoCount for earlier. I can manually take these off, and this is nice for if you want to precision click some things, or if you want to add different symbols to your drawing.